gonna exchange some of these right here. 17, but I get a little like that to get it off. Gotta take this one off. Thermal. I'll take out these two for the other side. Take out those two. The head is gonna be that kind of head. Taking these out to take out that one. That kind of 17. So take out the carter pin. Take that off with the wrench. 19. Get that out. Try to think of a way to tap it out. It's two. Right there. Oh, it came out easy. There's a new one. Boom. These two. See through it. With the pry bar, just keep on working on it and got it out. It's a locking clip, C-clip. It holds it locked in there. Now, you pop it off with that clip. You're home free. As you see the splines, it goes in. Anyway. You got that guide. Lined up. This is in. Those are in. These go. You gotta pull this to the side. Or you put this in. And line this up. You can pry it from right here. The pry bar. Pull it down or just pull it down. Got the place here. You pull this off to the side and then line it up. That's it. Gotta find the hole for that. There's the hole. The carter pin's in. Carter pin's in. Okay, starting to put this. So that make sure. Put a little pass of grease on these. I just put a pass of grease, just a little pat. Get it in there. Hold on. Tighten that one with this little, because it lets it